Hey everyone, I'm Abby with Remington, and today I'll be creating a volumized style using the Remington Pro ceramic round brush. This brush can add long-lasting volume to any style, like adding shape to your ends or creating loose curls, but today I'm going to be using it to add more volume to my roots. I'll begin by selecting the right heat style for my hair type. My hair is fine and healthy, so by looking at the included heat chart, I've decided to use 375 degrees. First, I'll section out my hair. I grabbed about a 2-inch section. I place the brush head at the root of my hair, and keeping hair taut, I slowly pull the brush through my hair, flipping it at the end for a small curl. Now, I just repeat that motion until I've added volume to the rest of my hair. The reason that I like this brush compared to other round brushes is that the bristles are actually heated ceramic versus the nylon ones that you typically find. The advanced technology in Remington's Thermaluxe line combines with the ceramic smooth glide to quickly create lift at my root with less snagging. As you can see, the round brush has added tons of lift to my roots. Sometimes my second day hair can be flat and lifeless. This is a great tool to quickly add some lift and volume to your second day hair. I love this brush. It's easy to use and it literally amplifies my style. So thanks to Remington and thanks to all of you for watching. See you next time, everybody.